7 Easy Affiliate Marketing Tips to Boost Your Profits. Hey there, welcome to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude creates wealthy altitudes. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. 7 Easy Affiliate Marketing Tips to Boost Your Profits. Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time and continues to grow year over year. But that means the landscape is also more competitive than ever. That's why we wanted to give you some affiliate marketing ideas so you can make the most out of your marketing efforts. But before we dive in, do me a favor and give that like button a satisfying tap. Hit that subscribe button like a boss, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss a beat when I drop my next mind-blowing video. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to your winning journey together. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an online business model where you earn commission from promoting affiliate products through special links. When one of your website visitors clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, the brand pays you a commission. While each individual affiliate commission may not be very large, if you have a lot of traffic and clicks, that can add up over time. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way to earn passive income. But don't be fooled. It still takes work to establish the audience and influence needed to succeed. Fortunately, even beginners can set up a profitable affiliate marketing strategy as long as you're patient and willing to work smart. Now let's dive deeper into our 7 top tips for getting the most out of your affiliate content. 1. Build your own audience. Our first tip is to always make sure you have your own way of reaching your readers. Don't rely entirely on third-party social media platforms or content sites like YouTube. The rules on these sites can change quickly and you have no control. A simple algorithm change may suddenly cause a sharp drop in views on your social media posts or YouTube channel. The best way to own your audience is to build an email list. Email marketing still has higher conversion rates than almost any other digital marketing channel. Because email marketing is permission-based, your subscribers are more engaged than someone casually scrolling on social media. You can include affiliate links directly in your email newsletters. Another option is to promote new content or popular posts on your website that contain affiliate links. 2. Focus on your target audience. If you try to market to everyone, you'll end up selling to nobody. We recommend that bloggers and other affiliate marketers choose a niche to focus on. Your niche should interest you and also have enough search traffic to generate revenue. Experienced and new affiliates alike need to build authority. The best way to do this is by creating helpful, accurate content that your audience wants to read. You can use tools like Google Analytics, Google Keyword Planner, and SEMrush to see what your audience is interested in. Posts that get more traffic and engagement are a good indicator of the type of content that will convert well. 3. Build trust by disclosing affiliate links. In the United States, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, requires that websites state when affiliate links are used. In addition to following the law, disclosing affiliate links also builds trust with your readers. These disclosures show that you aren't trying to hide anything or trick them into buying a product just because you want to earn money. Here are some affiliate link disclosure examples. Disclosure: this post contains affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you click and make a purchase. Affiliate disclosure: some links on this website may be affiliate links, meaning we may earn a commission if you make a purchase through them. Important disclosure: some links on this site are affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you click and make a purchase. We only recommend products we believe will be helpful. 4. Reuse existing content. If you've already established authority in a niche, you can run affiliate marketing campaigns on that existing content. Simply sign up with the right affiliate partners and insert the links into your posts. For brand new websites, it can take a while to start earning affiliate income. That's why we recommend launching your affiliate website with plenty of content in place. If you only have one blog post, your site will look unprofessional in addition to losing traffic after visitors read the lone article and leave. Another way to reuse existing content is to promote it across different platforms. This allows older content to reach a different part of your audience, and it gives you something new to share. Here are some ways to repurpose content. Expand on a blog post in a YouTube video. Summarize a longer article in an infographic. Post snippets of YouTube videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Tweet lines from previously published articles with a link to the full post. Turn a quotable sentence from a blog post into an Instagram graphic. Compile an ebook from related blog posts and use it as a lead magnet or paid product. 5. Align your content with search intent. Affiliate marketing works best when you publish content that your audience is already searching for. That's why search engine optimization, SEO, is so important. With SEO, it can be tempting to focus on the numbers. How much search engine traffic are certain pages getting? Which keywords have the most search queries? But another important factor to consider is search intent. This can't be measured by numbers and requires you to step into the reader's shoes a bit. Search intent is the reason or motivation behind a user's online search. In other words, what are they hoping to do or learn from the search results? There are three main types of search intent. Informational search intent. When people want to learn something, they use informational search intent. Navigational search intent. When people want to go to a specific website, they use navigational search intent. Transactional search intent. When people want to buy something, they use transactional search intent. 6. Publish product reviews. Product reviews make amazing affiliate content. These articles attract readers with high transactional search intent. Review readers are looking for information to help them make a purchase decision. In other words, they're really ready to buy. Why not share your affiliate link along with your helpful content? To get more affiliate link clicks from your product reviews, make sure your review is high quality. Test the product yourself, don't just rephrase the marketing materials. Be really honest about any weaknesses you find or things that you wish were different. People want to read real experiences, not just polished success stories. Remember, successful affiliate marketing relies on trust. No product is truly perfect, so it's more trustworthy when a review includes an honest discussion about a product's shortcomings. 7. Offer your own incentives. While you can't offer your own discounts on affiliate products, you can add your own bonuses as an extra perk. You can use your own business milestones or important holidays as a way to drive more traffic and clicks on your affiliate website. For example, you can offer a free download for joining your email list. These are called lead magnets and are an excellent way to get more email subscribers, and thus more eyes on your affiliate content. Another incentive you can offer is to run your own contest. This works especially well if you offer entries for people who make referrals for the contest. This will bring in more organic traffic who will then click on your links. We hope you found these tips helpful as you plan ways to boost your affiliate sales. If you're ready to break free from the confines of the 9-to-5 lifestyle and discover how to start making money online, it's time to visit Winning Wealthy. Our brand new platform offers invaluable resources and guidance to help you navigate the path to financial freedom. Say goodbye to the exhausting grind and hello to a life of flexibility and abundance. Don't let another day slip by in the monotony of long hours and burnout. Embrace the opportunity to transform your life. Visit Winning Wealthy today and unlock the door to a brighter future, where you can finally escape the confines of the traditional work paradigm and pave your own path towards financial liberation. It's time to embrace change and embark on a journey that leads to a fulfilling and prosperous life. Thanks for watching.